Parang fish net yun. Lumalapas yan sa mga ganon.
Sa mask?
O, tapos masakit pag tinanggal mo yung nakapulo siya ganyan. Aray! Tapos may pimple yun pag nabunot ko. Ang ganda. Kinugupit mo siya ni Shane.
Trim lang ba?
Nag-shave to.
Trim?
lang pa, trim.
Trim.
Trim lang. Ano gamot mo?
Ano mo ikakwento mo sa amin? Magkwento ka naman, Coco.
Pinagkakabala mo ngayon, Kokoy. Kakatapos mo yung running man.
Tapos lang po ng running man ko and yung sa...
Ano yun?
Pwede lang yan. Pwede ka nga sumali.
Hindi yung pwedeng banggitin kami nga lang ito nakikita dito sa yung batang riles. Hindi yan pwede yan.
Pwede yan, pwede yan.
Ito promote natin yan.
Yung batang riles po, abangan
Bilisan
niyo po.
mo. Sorry, sorry. Hindi pwede naman. Nag-exhibition.
Sige, mag-promote ka na mag-promote. Ayun, dyan ka.
Inaano mo yung, ayan,
Pinopromote ko nga po pala ang batang riles.
ayun na sisimubo.
Abangan niyo na lang din po.
Pero maraming salamat at good luck sa pelikula natin.
Yeah.
Tsaka sa Batang Reyes, good luck din.
Thank you po.
Ate, sa pagbayad din sa magpasikat ha. Maraming salamat.
Ang ayos ko, di ba nga yung costume na yung kasi.
Ay, ito ba yun? Perfect. Go!
Yeah, maraming salamat Corey Espinos ang Pocoy de Santos ng Oriental Mindoro. Ngayon naman ang kaya hatol na matay contestant number 3, go Ryan Shaw!
Ngayon naman alamin natin kung anong hatol ang Madlang People. Madlang People, kaloka or kaloka! Itaas na yung Madlang People. Parang kumapula. Ang daming kaloka, pero may mga yan sila na kaloka lang.
60% kaloka.
60% kaloka. Maraming salamat, Madlang People.
Pinagsasabihin na nila parang don't say anything daw kasi baka our lives daw kasi malalaking taong ako daw hindi rin nila kilala. Puro Pilipino lang din naman po yung nag-work dun eh.
You're also Filipino, no foreign member?
Meron pong mga Chinese po, yun po mga boss.
Celebrate ng weekend with There's still a lot left. Garnier Micellar Water gently removes impurities in one use. No visible residue.
During our last hearing in the Senate, this is what we've been investigating. Human trafficking, along with
Syndicates, right. Kasi mag-apply mo online po.
online. We have a case like this. This is being heard in the Senate before the recess, that they recruit people with the promise of big money, and then they include also foreign workers. Meron ba kasama siya yung mga foreigner? Mga trabador?
Wala naman po. Hiwalay po. Hiwalay po yung Chinese sa...
They do the same thing in Nigeria. They do the same thing. They do it all over the world, different places.
Janice, a few minutes ago, I was talking to him about the possibility of you becoming state witness against everybody who has been operating this big syndicate. If you would cooperate as star witness, that might get you off the hook. But you have to tell all. Is that a possibility?
Pwede naman po, pero gusto ko po na na yun lang po, malinis din po yung pangalan ko na biktima lang din po ako.
What made you say that you're a victim as well?
Na hindi naman po namin ginusto yung mapasok po kami sa ganung
What's the name of the company?
po.
Anong pangalan po ng kumpanya?
Wala pong company name eh. Basta lang po sila ganun.
Saan kayo nag-cooperate?
Sa Hongtay. Las Piñas po yung na-raid.
How many people were there when the raid was conducted?
Hindi ko po alam. Na marami po eh. Lahat po eh nandun.
What is the modus operandi taught to you by your supervisors how to scam people? Do you have like a script how to invite people?
Hindi ko po masabi.
Dating profiles. Dating profile?
Oo, papaibigin lang po yung love scam, ganun po. Depende po kung mahuhulog sa love scam yung client po.
ganun, yung makakausap sa dating app.
Sinong naghahanap ng biktima? Kayo o binibigyan kayo ng pangalan ng biktima?
Kami po nagkahanap. Eh kaso po model lang naman po ako, kaya wala po akong ginagawa.
What do you do as a model?
Ano lang po, nagpi-FaceTime.
FaceTime.
Yun lang po.
And you get 20,000 pesos a month, a week?
A month lang po. Yun lang po, 20,000.
Okay, how many months did you work for the company?
Nung bago po ma-raid, nag-resign na po ako.
How many people were caught and where are they now?
Hindi ko po alam eh, nagsiwihan na rin po. Marami po mga pulis eh.
When was this?
Nabalita po yun eh. Yun po. Wala na po kasi ako dun, Rapitol po yung na-raid po yun. Nag-resign na po ako. Natatakot po, Rapitol po. Baka po maano ako dyan.
Pakicheck ka kung meron na inquest. 5 Chinese. Yung mga, alam mo, supervisors mo, are they Filipino, Chinese, foreigners? What nationalities?
Lalaki. Hindi ko po alam.
I think the pictures I sent you are Filipinos, actually. There's some, but they said that the leader's Chinese. It's a Chinese operation overall, syndicate that's at the top. But she needs to confirm or deny, or she has to understand that she's in a lot of trouble. You know, you can act like you can pretend that you're innocent, but you are the face of this enterprise, this embezzlement company. Why are you protecting these people?
Hindi po. Natatakot po ako. Tsaka resign na rin.
Well, wait a minute. Why do you speak Tagalog when in fact he said when you were talking to him you speak a fluent, perfect, excellent English? Am I right?
Yeah, I mean, well, I talked to her briefly, only briefly on the video calls. Like, it wasn't for that long. Mostly it was just smiles and like, hello, hi, yeah, and stuff like that, basic stuff. Like nothing extensive, but that was enough for me even to believe that I was talking to a real person. And I was duped, and that's my fault. I get it. You know, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Like, you know, you got me, well played. You know, you got me for a lot of money. I thought I was talking to you, and I was wrong. You know, I was foolish. But you need to come through, and you need to stop protecting these people that are trying to destroy lives. It's that simple. Like, do you want to be protected? Or do you want to be incriminated? Do you want to go to jail, or do you want?
Ayoko, kaya pumunta po ako dito.
If you don't want to go to jail, then you have to cooperate with the authorities. As simple as that.
Exactly.
And that's the only way out for you not to go to jail.
Yung buhay naman po ng pamilya ko.
Are you saying that you didn't know what you were doing? You didn't know what you were a part of? Yes, you knew what you were a part of.
Yeah.
Yes. She knew what she was a part of. She know what you're doing. Do you have any idea what you're doing? Like the
Yun lang po na, yun nga po yung gusto ko lang na trabaho na ayoko makapag-chat, ayoko po makapag-scam, ganun. Yun lang, magpe-FaceTime lang, yun lang.
But you cannot use ignorance because ignorance of the law excuses no one.
Right.
You cannot say I'm ignorant, I don't know that what I'm doing was illegal. You cannot say that. You're still liable. We have a victim right here.
I understand you're sorry because you've been caught. I do forgive you at a deeper level. Like your soul, I don't want you to go to hell. Like I'm a Christian. I believe in God. Like I believe there's consequences for our life's decisions and sin. And you're sinning. You're destroying people's lives, and you're culpable. You're not a victim. You're the face of an enterprise that's.
Interesting kasi I need nga money to save my
What did it say doon sa
salary.
20,000 salary in exchange?
Yun nga po, magta-type-type lang po. Mag-a-add sa mga sa dating app.
They use the word dating app.
Opo. Tapos kukuha po sila ng number.
Pwede ka naman umatras
Kailangan ko nga po ng pera dahil mahirap nga po yung
because she said she needs money.
Yeah, it's your own selfish.
Kasi nga,
Deny yourself. Take up your cross and follow me. That's what Jesus said.
kasi nga ako na para
You're not gonna have a lot of time to go to college if you're in jail.
Ilang araw bago ka matanggap simula nung sumagot ka sa chat?
yun nga po, pag nag-chat po, ire-replyan ka po. Tapos yun po,
Pero alam mo yung niloloko mo, inis ka. FaceTime.
yun lang.
Or it's big trouble for you. Senator Rafi's right here.
Lahat po nung nandun, yung mga ginagawa nila, pagtatay, paano nila makukuha yung client. Hindi ko po alam. Kasi nga, yung ginagawa ko lang po is FaceTime.
During the raid, these 5 Chinese, they were there. So they're the ones who's running the place.
Okay.
So the authorities brought them to the prosecutor's office. But the good thing about it is they've been caught.
Right.
If you want to file a case against her, then we're not gonna stop you from doing it.
I see no. It's not pleasurable for me to do that. To be honest, I just want my money back. That's what I really. I mean, you should face. You should face some criminal charges though. You shouldn't just be able to walk out of here scot free. Like you have no. You need to learn, Janice. You need to learn from make better decisions in life. I mean, if it were up to me, I would put you at least a few months in jail to think about what you did.
Yung pera ko po na naipon, yun nga po na binili ko na lang po ng sasakyan.
So you bought a car. So maybe sell the car and.
Wait, you bought a car with the money?
Opo, nag-iipon po kasi nga ako.
Huh?
Oh, what kind of car did you buy?
Ano po, 140 po, magbabay and sell po sana.
140,000. What kind of car is it?
Kia po na
So can you sell that car and then proceeds of that car, when you sold it, give it back to him?
Opo, pwede naman po. Kasi po, yung gagawin po namin ni Papa, yung my father is a welder. He can fix the car. Then after that, we will sell in double price. Ganon. Parang is-look brand yung pero second.
Fixer-upper. You fix the car and then sell it double the price, the original price.
That's why I resign na po kasi I have 150 na savings.
Brandon, she's willing to sell the car. Brandon, she's willing to sell the car. Kia, that's the brand name of the car, and then once it's sold, and then she'll give you the money. Or better off, give her the pink slip now, sign it to him, and it's up to him whether he's gonna sell it or he's gonna use it, whatever. Do you have the registration of the car?
Yeah.
Are you willing to turn it over to him?
Ang balak po namin ni Papa, papalaguin po namin yung pera hanggang sa, yun nga po, maging milyon, ganun. Kasi bibili po kami ng, parang buy and sell, di ba? Kasi yun lang po yung alam namin na aasenso po yung buhay namin. Others know how to fix the car. Then, that's why I resign na kasi I have savings na to have a business. Kaya yung money na namin, we fix the car. Kasi my father is a welder. We fixed. Opo, ganun.
You're gonna get into a buy and sell business
Opo.
using his money
Oo.
as a capital.
Opo.
So now, where's the car? What kind of car is it again? Kia?
Iyo po, ito po.
Okay, Kia.
The whole thing is just sucks. It sucks because I mean I get that your family's struggling. I'm sure. I heard she has 9 siblings. So.
Opo, 9 po kami.
So I.
Tapos ang ginagawa ko po ngayon, na nag-resign na nga po ako ng...
But in the meantime, I have no family and I have no money. So.
Yeah.
So are you willing to get the car?
I mean, sure. I mean, but it's like.
We need to, to double, parang gano'n.
You know,
It's just a month lang naman, my father said. Kasi before we have car shop, we're not struggling in life pa. Then, my father have nalulung sa sabong. That's why our business is going down now. That's why
This is probably got into gambling.
we cannot.
The car to his name. You will do it right away.
Opo naman.
So are you willing to accept the car as partial payment?
I mean, yeah, I would just sell it because I just need money to survive.
Pwede ba namin makuha bukas ang kotse hilain natin?
Pwede po bang palakihin pa po kung ibenta po ng ibenta?
She said, can we wait until it can...
Getting 600 that you have
Oh my gosh.
yeah.
My visa is only good for 2 more months. But I have to renew it in 2 months, I guess. But anyway, yeah, I need money to live, period. Just like you, just like, me. And
Pag may bumili po, edi bibigay po namin.
yeah, okay.
That's why I want that's what I want na palakihin pa para
Okay.
kahit
In the meantime, hopefully we squeeze the syndicate leaders and maybe possibly get any cash back from them. That'd be great.
I don't think so for now. Let the court do the job.
I'd like to talk to your father, see what he
Yeah.
thinks.
So you want to meet her dad?
Yeah, I'd like to meet her dad. I thought you were really cute.
you're very handsome.
You're very naughty. I'd like to talk to your father, see what he
Yeah.
thinks.
So you want to meet her dad?
Yeah, I'd like to meet her dad. I thought you were really cute.
You're very handsome.
You're very naughty.
Let's talk about him getting his money back. The reason why he's here. First things first, you will give the key of that car that you have now and then transfer the title to his name.
Pero po inaayos pa po ni Papa ngayon eh. They fixing pa to look brand new.
Well, how long is that gonna take?
Yun nga po, hindi ko po alam kasi mga pa po, mga is 1 month.
1 month?
Then we will sell that car mga 298.
298. Okay. Well,
It
let's see
depends
about
on
it,
the model.
I'd like to talk to your father, see what he
Yeah.
thinks
Yeah.
about everything.
Oh, so you want to meet her dad?
Yeah, I'd like to meet her dad.
Okay, we're gonna set you up with her dad and talk about the car.
Una pa lang naman
You're so
po, ang cute
clever.
niya na eh.
I thought you were really cute.
You're very handsome.
You're sweet, but you're very naughty. You're very naughty. You need to go sit in the cage for a little bit and think about your life's decisions. That's what I think. And if I was your dad, that's what I would agree.
So for now, we really need the key to the car and then the registration for the car so that we can give it to him.
Sa car ORCR po yung original. Kaya transfer pa po ng owner.
Pero na yung kotse, bigyan na natin sa kanya.
Ibibigay ko na po sa kanya.
They can turn over the car to you anytime.
Gusto niya po ayusin na lang muna po ni Papa. Look brand new, ganun. Ganun naman po yung Kia, 2009 model po.
That would be great. Honestly, like I said, that'd be half back of almost what
Parang
make
yung,
better decisions in life. I thought you were really cute too. When I was a kid.
yun nga po, yun po yung bala ko. Kung gusto niya na mapalaki po yung pera, yun na. If you want to give your money 600, we will buy and sell that car.
So you're suggesting that you want to make him a partner of your dad's buy and sell business.
Ganun, pwede din. Kasi marami naman po kasing yumayaman doon. Many businessmen who will be rich that business. Kasi before my father, that's college, makagraduate.
You would have been interested in me for real.
Oo naman, pwede naman. Kasi I'm single naman. Pero marami po kasing babae
But is that
sa
the only reason?
foreigner.
But she said you're a playboy.
Me?
Kasi you're handsome.
She's scared.
No, I want to get married ultimately. Like that's why I came out here. But I mean, I think I'm the Philippines' most eligible bachelor right now. So,
Get married. Get married.
well, anyway, like yeah,
We can date. Kasi in my province, in Boracay. Oh, but our house there is,
my gosh.
simple.
Para sa nag-overtime,
make better decisions.
Brandon, I'll help you. Financially, I'll help you. I've done this before to other foreigners that I don't know, but as long as they come to me for help, I can help you
Appreciate it. I
financially.
just need a little bit of help.
Get you back on your feet.
Because I believe that I'm going to make it big.
I can even give you money for your airfare going back to the U.S.
Well, I wouldn't necessarily U.S. I want to make my dream, kind of happen.
What are you doing right now?
Oh, I do day
What are you
trading,
into?
but like I'm kind of just like I said, I'm blossoming right now. I got 3 live accounts.
You're doing what?
I have 3 live trading accounts right now.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to grow them through a company called Bundy, and they're basically
Who's paying your rent? Your visa expires in 2
I
months.
only have about 50,000 pesos left. To my name to live on for the next couple months.
I can give you $5,000.
You
Really?
can?
Seriously.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't want to just take. I want to
No.
I want to pay you. Like I want to, because I want to pay you back.
No, you don't have to pay me back.
I want.
It's not a loan. It's like out of my generosity, I want to help you because I don't want you to get the impression that Filipinos are bad.
No.
This is like a redemption to Filipinos that not all Filipinos are bad.
Yeah.
To show you that Filipinos are kind, and that's why I'm doing this.
It's a borrow. That's a lend. If you could just lend me the cash, like I will pay you back. Like I promise you, I'll pay you back. Because I'm gonna be
Whenever you can pay me, pay me.
Like you, Senator.
But I'm not gonna pressure or push you to pay me back. This is just helping you.
I will pay you back. Because that's my mission.
I can even have the money ready now.
I will pay you back. I promise you. I just need an opportunity. Like she kind of cut my knees down. That's why she cut me off at the knees when I was
Tawagan mo si
just about
Shane
to
na
make it.
padala ng $5,000
That's the car.
plus the car.
Right? Wow, we're in business now.
Ginagawa ko ito para ipakita sa mga foreigners na hindi lahat ng Pilipino ay loko-loko, na para to redeem our name na nalagay sa kahiyaan dahil sa kagagawa niya. So para